Mr. Subramani. Normally I call him as Supa. He is known as Supa in the environment in his age group. Mr. Subramani, the honorable guests in the podium, veterans, ladies, gentlemen, and children. On the outset, I would like to convey my congratulations to We Care Ex-Servicemen Trust for the excellent job that they are doing for the benefit of helpless pensioners who are and their widows who are deployed at far-off places in Karnataka and other places. Now, many things have been said about Subramani and his organization by the previous speakers. Not dwelling upon that, I would like to bring certain personality of his way back from 1980s. I have been knowing Subramani since 1980, when I was a lieutenant in the army and he was here in the selection board. We happened to meet at Ambala on some occasions, and from there onwards, whenever I came on annual leave, I used to meet him here in Mysore. And that is how the relations built up. And he always used to keep on discussing various difficulties of the serving people and the pensioners and what he can do. And at times he used to be very apologetic. See, in the present condition, I am unable to take on the system or the other people who are down the chain. Then he used to tell me, Swaraj, look, I don't think I would be continuing here. This is not my cup of tea, because with whatever experience I have here, I have more vision and I want to deliver to the society more. I said, how will you do? You don't have any resources, no support financially or infrastructure wise. He says that leave it to me. I have a vision, long-term vision. I'll see how I fulfill it. So I have seen him growing as an ex-serviceman, as a teacher, as an advocate, as a journalist, and so many other characteristics are there in him, which is built in, about which you have heard from all the previous speakers. I would like to quote two, three examples here, which I personally, serving in the army, could not get for my own mother, who is now 87 years living, and she was wanting to come here, but she has conveyed her blessings to this organization through me, and please accept her blessings. And what happened was, consequent to this 6th Pay Commission, there was policy changes, pension reviews had taken place, and my mother happened to be a family pensioner, and she was not getting the right due. So he happened to ask me, what is the status of your mother's family pension? I said, I don't know, I have not bothered to look into. So that was the kind of sensitivity I had, being a serving person. Then I said, why don't you take up this and examine for me, because you are in this field for last 3-4 years or last 10-20 years. So he said, yes, okay, give me the details, and the details was given. And to my surprise, I found that within 48 hours, he worked out the matrix of the emolument which he was supposed to get and prevailed upon the pension disbursing people in the bank and got it released. And the second case was when I was posted at Pune. He approached me regarding one of the old veteran who was 95 years plus, who was living then with a dependent daughter who was 55 years and disabled one. So he says, see, look, he is not getting the correct pension, I need your help. I said, how can I help you? He says, sir, you are from the artillery, so why don't you get on to the artillery records and get all the requisite documents. They don't have the supporting documents with them. So accordingly, I prevailed upon those people there in the records and got all the documents and gave it to him. And it was very encouraging to learn that this particular gentleman named Mr. Chinnappa, he got an arrears of about 5 lakhs plus, and his disabled daughter unmarried, 55 years old. She got the ECHS facilities and also the family pension. So it was a great achievement on his part. I thank him for the gesture which he has done. Notwithstanding that, I have been closely following his mails which he has been sending to me as BCC, and really hats off to him. He is taking on the system, as somebody said, is one-man army. Yes, I admire him for that. And not only that, because of his shooting from the hip, what somebody was mentioning, he has also invited lot many enemies because of not knowing the realities. And I'm sure General who is sitting there next to him, he has been putting him on the track and bringing the things back on the rail. I'm sure in times to come, We Care Ex-Servicemen Trust would go from strength to strength, and I think I too will have something to contribute towards his vision, and I'm sure I will also draw a path for him whenever he requires me, and help him out in his venture for future. Last but not the least, he remembered my birthday, and my birthday has been celebrated here today. And once again, thanks to Subramani and Mrs. Subramani and complete We Care Ex-Servicemen Trust. And finally, having heard about him from all the speakers, certain things I also didn't know. And congratulations to you. Keep doing the good job. Let the criticism come. Take on the criticism the way you're taking on. And God will be with you. Jai Hind.